Good morning. It's Crypto Whiskey here. Let's dive right in. It's January or February the 7th. Our first up on the block is going to be Nflx. Now, we've been riding in this upward sloping channel for a long time, and we've tried to break above it, had a couple fake outs, right back in it today. So I'm looking to try to play this to the downside. Easily could convert and turn around, and we get the higher numbers. We'll talk about that. But in my opinion, we're going to need to play it to the downside today. Is the most likely scenario if we get a break. Okay, if we get a break below 359, a substantial break below that, I want to take a little longer term puts. Now, I would buy myself out a month or so time for sure. But I think after that point, our next target's all the way back down at 331, which would just about be testing the heart line, and then ultimately about 319. Now, if you're in the puts and your target's 331, 319, let's just say it turns around and goes crazy and wants to run to the upside. What do we want to be prepared for there? What I'm seeing is longer term now. Longer term, if we can break this previous 378.96, then I'd be looking for 399 as a first target long term. And then honestly, we can get pretty crazy. There's a big gap starting at 460 all the way up to 505. Now they've stopped the password sharing. Everyone thinks that that's going to kill their base and people are going to cancel. I just kind of doubt it. I kind of think that makes them more profitable. They have better numbers, so the next coming 3 quarters that they report are going to be awesome. So either way, we can play at a shorter, say 2 to 3 week downturn puts right here to those levels, or you can go in it long, ride the volatility, and let's shoot for this 508. All right, there's our first one of the day. Aapl. Apple's doing what it does, making big moves, but here's where I want to get into Aapl right now. I think we've got a little downside coming on Aapl today too. I think we got to retest that 200-day moving average. So if I'm going to be in Aapl, I want to be in it puts right now with targets down at 147.91, 146.71. That would close a gap on several time frames. Ultimate third last take profit 142.79. Now if we get some like funky flippening today and Aapl gets a bid and starts rallying, if Aapl breaks above 152, then we're going to 153, 154.50, and 157. All right, those are your targets for calls, and that's going to be it today. Follow us in Discord. We hit Bed Bath Beyond. We hit it yesterday for massive gains, and then now we have shorted it towards the end of the day yesterday and called it at the top. So we're about to open up in massive gains. Please join our Discord to get more trade tips like this every day, all day. Thanks.